Hello developers, welcome back to our channel Detailed Coding. While updating WhatsApp status, most of you might notice that the font size is changing based on the content inside it. That might be feels little tricky, right? In this video I will show you how to create that. If you see here, while the content in our text area is increasing, our font size is decreasing. I already opened my project directory. Inside that I added one text area and let me style the text area. Text area which should be 100 percentage. As of now I will mention it as a 20 pixel. Later we'll change this in our JavaScript. Color white, and max height I will be set it around 90 viewport height. Overflow hidden. Yeah, let me see it in the browser first. So as you see, this is our text area. We need to add little bit CSS over here. So first I need to remove this resizing mode. So in order to remove the resizing mode, in our CSS, resizing none. And I need to remove the border. Background transparent. Now let's dive into our JavaScript portion. Let me select my text area. By default, when we enter into our website, I need to focus this text area. So I'm doing text area dot focus, and I'm going to attach one event listener for my text area. Here let me capture data inside my text area. So for that, console.log text area dot value. So let me open my DevTools. By default, when I refresh, it will automatically focus into our text area, and our data is also capturing. First we need to increase the height of our text area if we enter some new line inside this. So in order to do that, first we need to calculate number of lines inside that. Let lines equal to text area dot value dot split slash n. This function split the text inside our text area into array whenever new line is entered. So I'm going to get the length of that array. Let height equal to lines into our font size. In this case, let's assume our font size is 20 pixels. So I'm just mentioning 20 pixel here, and set this height to our text area. Text area dot style dot height equal to our new height. So now let's see in the browser. If I try to enter some new line in our text area, our text area size is increasing. Now let's focus on the font size. Let font size equal to window dot inner height minus text area dot scroll height into 0.1. Basically this expression will gives you the one viewport height of our text area. Now let's set our font size to our text area. Text area dot style dot font size equal to font size plus px. Now let's see. If I try to type something, our text size is changing, but it is not proper. So that is because of this. Here we need to change to our font size. If you see here, our font size is changing, but we can't able to see our uppermost section properly. So in order to do that, we need to do some calculations. For that, let me move this line to outer scope. Go to 0. Let me call it as temp lines. If lines is less than temp lines, then height plus equal to 150. Here I am just trying to add 150 pixel height to our text area in order to get proper visibility. And let me assign temp lines to my lines. Lines equal to temp lines. So if you see, we can able to see our content inside this properly. But if I try to add more lines, at some point our font size won't be visible. So in order to avoid that, we are going to use one math function here. Let me create one new variable for that. Let new font size equal to math.max of font size comma 8. This function ensure that our font size won't go below 8 pixels. So now let me assign this font size to be here. Now let's see. Now let's try to increase the performance. Here I am moving everything inside. This if condition will allow only temp line is not equal to our lines. I need to set this outside. Now let's check it in our browser. Hello developers. Welcome to our channel. Actually this is working pretty fine. That's it about today's video. Hope you learned something new from this. As usual, just eat, code, sleep and repeat. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.